Welcome to our final day in the parks. There will be a travel vlog coming tomorrow, or next week for you guys, tomorrow for us. But this is our final day in the Disney parks. We are going to Magic Kingdom first. I feel like there might be a chance that we go back to EPCOT later, because it is our favourite, especially Rachel's favourite. But definitely Magic Kingdom first for some breakfast, potentially the Seven Dwarfs ride, which we haven't done yet, and then a couple of other bits just to finish up the trip. And then the day's going to be done quicker than we know it. We have got a whole list of food things that we might try in Magic Kingdom. I don't think we're going to do all of them because there's about 6 different places and it's only one day. But we are going to try some of them today. And I want to try a cheeseburger spring roll because I've not had one yet. Because we haven't spent a lot of time in Magic Kingdom, to be fair. Same as in Paris, we tend to enjoy Hollywood a bit more, and then Epcot here way more. So, yeah, that's today's plan. You did wobble again, didn't you, dude? Yeah. Let's get going. First ride of the day is going to be the Pirates ride. Should be a 10-minute wait. Did you? Barrels. Good spot. They're all cannonballs and cannons. They've closed the ride. So this is what it looks like in the sunshine.
Can we not do it?
Because they've closed it. I'm not going to drop you in there, don't worry.
Why?
So this is what it looks like when all the lights are on. Looks a bit different, doesn't it? Should probably filmed a bit more than I have this morning. But having gone into Pirates, you saw like the pre-show bit.
I think you filmed when it got closed.
Did I? Well, I might have already said it's closed, but yeah, that closed, we had to leave. We've been given a lightning lane for when it reopens, as we left by scanning our tickets, but as of now, it's still not reopened.
Quite a few things that are shut.
Yeah, that one's closed. Seven Dwarfs is closed. Something else is closed. And there's 4 things closed at the minute. So we have had some hash browns,
Everything else.
potato barrels.
It's just getting rammed in it.
Yeah, everything's heaving. So we made an executive decision to leave and come back later. So we're going to go back to the car, head over to Disney Springs. They are, you're right. There's some kind of show thing going on at the minute. Over there. It is, I know. And then, yeah, Disney Springs, do a bit of shopping. We'll either come back here later, we might go to Epcot later on. We're going to play it by ear with what the queue times are like. And then go from there. But as you can see, this is very, very busy. There's Anna and Elsa and Ola. Can't see those two. Yeah. I don't think he did the parade, but he's here. Here we go with round 2. Are we going to get on the Pirates ride today?
Yes.
With our lightning lane. Ooh! That we've never had before. Oh.
That's so good.
We've just been shopping at the outlets, and you got some Avengers toys, haven't you?
Yes.
And you got...
Bath and Body Works soap and
that was
candles.
it. Lovely smelly stuff.
More importantly, our house will smell beautifully at home.
It will.
Because it'll be freezing so we can put candles on.
Which, I don't know if we talked about this before we set off at all, but in the background to us...
I would like to take my characters home.
Absolutely, you can, dude.
We're going to beeline through again.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, in the background to this trip, about 2 days before we set off, we were looking at some houses.
Which no one else knows.
No one knows, as it was a very last minute thing.
Today,
That's alright, dude, I know the way. Not even this one does.
People coming out to view ours when we get home.
But now we're thinking we're going to cancel it all because we want to go to Disney loads.
Not that.
And the house just isn't perfect.
Isn't right.
It's not worth giving up all this for.
And the drive and everything isn't there, is it?
Yeah. Not at the minute, dude. What do you want to tell the camera?
Daddy, can I tell the camera something?
Yeah, here you go, son.
Camera, I don't have a map where I don't know the way.
That was nice. Oh, this is a busy shop today. Way busier than earlier when we wandered through. $80. That's alright. Not horrendous. Not horrendous at all. How many dollars? $5.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. Right, we'll see on the other side of these busy shops. So this is our lightning lane from it shutting on us earlier when we were halfway down the queue. And if you look at that, that is a huge queue. I don't know how long it is. I'll try and ask Rachel in a second how long the queue's meant to be. But this is lovely. No, I'll take them off you. Popped us straight out into this little bit of a queue, and there's the ride right there. So it's cut out loads of time. I reckon that's probably like 45 minutes queue. It's just chopped off. I got the wet side.
Yeah.
Cheers, guys. Oh. It's front row. On the front row. Holding on. Oh yeah.
5 minutes, that's it.
5 minute lightning lane. Bosh. We're ready to go.
I've never seen that before.
Bit spooky, innit? One pirate ride done. Hands up if you got wet on that ride. I did.
I did.
We got drenched. We were front row that time, or the last one we were like back row, weren't we?
Best though, isn't it?
It was cool. Going over the drop and not able to see a single thing in front of you. It's completely black. It was amazing. But splattered.
Jelly ladder.
There you go. Standby time's 35 minutes a minute. We were on in 5 with the lightning lane.
I think that's longer than 35. You think where we were queuing at 10 minutes?
I mean, it's huge, isn't it? Yeah, it's probably more like 45, 50, I'd say.
I hope I could do it again.
Well, it is our
Lightning lanes
master,
are
isn't it? We like lightning lanes. Show
I
us our
think
master.
they're definitely probably worth it
Bye-bye.
for Paris, you know. 'Cause those queue times are long, aren't
Yeah, they are for some of them. There's not as many rides, is there?
I'm going to try and do the tiki minky
Well,
again.
I am going to go and try and eat a cheeseburger spring roll now. Yum, 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 yum. And maybe we'll get splattered on the way to them. Yeah?
Pink now.
Over there. Yeah, they are, aren't they? The Tiki Warriors. Tiki masks.
Right.